You're here because you want to learn the pen spinning trick from anime that you just saw, and I'm going to show you. So this is how the trick looks like. This trick is called the charge. You're just going to do it continuously. It can be done palm down also. So the way you perform the trick is first you need to learn the seesaw motion. So just put the pen between your fingers and do this. Once you learn how to do this, you just need to add the circular motion. And the easiest way to add the circular motion is to kind of start the pen from here, create the pressure with your ring finger, and then release with your thumb, and that will create the momentum that you need for the pen to go in little circles. And then you combine that with the seesaw motion that you just learned, and you are going to get the charge. I know it looks cool. This is also called the drummer's trick. It's a lot of drummers kind of do this with their drumsticks. I'm not a drummer, I'm just saying. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.